what you know. Buy the motherfucker out the bottom. Real glitch, ain't no the stop. Creep, the fuck down. Switchblade on him, hit the guns like a pump. Dump. 30 rounds of that clip, I'll rip. Too thick with the stick that I won't miss. Don't talk shit. Whip, whip like a brick scallop fish. Slice compose on night singing alright.
How you doing, sir?
Hey. Fuck, guys.
What's up?
What you guys doing, man?
On our way home?
Come on, don't bullshit me. I heard you guys way the fuck over here.
What?
Come on, you and your boys fucking dipped out on you.
Nah.
Come on, man. Alright, bro, I can still smell it.
Smell what?
Come on, dude, stop fucking with me. Bro, be honest. Be honest and we'll get you out of here.
I wasn't doing nothing, man. I promise I wasn't doing nothing.
Really?
Personally, me?
Really?
No, I wasn't. Personally.
You weren't driving this car just now?
I was driving the car, yeah.
Right.
Yes, sir.
If you get caught doing this garbage again, you will go to jail and I will impound your car.
I get it. Don't be stupid.
Yes, sir.
Alright? And your boy fucking dipped on you.
Mm-hmm.
Does he have a Hellcat too?
I don't know what model his is. I'm not sure.
Alright. I really don't feel like sitting in there and writing a very expensive ticket for reckless driving.
Okay, bro.
And you don't have real plates on this fucking car. Do you have plates?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Put that shit on.
I will.
We good?
Mm-hmm.